everyone, and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass geometry. In this video we're going to go over an angle bisector example by going over the angle bisector definition and then constructing an angle bisector using a compass and straight edge. So what is an angle bisector? It's a line that evenly cuts an angle into two equal halves, creating two equal angles. So now that we know what it means, let's go ahead and construct this thing. So we're going to take the point of our compass, put it on the edge of our angle here, where the two lines intersect to form our angle, and then we're just going to swing our compass and make an arc. And now we're going to take any length of the compass, take the point to one of the points where it intersects the arc we just made and the line, and then just swing this a little bit. Now we're going to make sure to keep the same exact distance, and then we'll take the point to the other side and do the same thing. So notice we have this little cross section, this little intersection right here. So what we're going to do is take our straight edge, our ruler, and draw a line from the intersection to the midpoint of our angle. And we bisected our angle. So notice both of these sides are equal. We split our angle in half. So in this example we have an angle that's 85 degrees, but this will work for an angle of any size. So if you're looking for more constructions, check out my construction playlist right here. And if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for stopping by, and happy calculating. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!